We guide you through how to use Ticket Tool on Discord so you can manage support requests easily. First thing you need to do is invite Ticket Tool to your server from its official website and authorize it with the required permissions. Once the boot is inside your server, go to the Ticket Tool dashboard and select the server you want to set up. Create a ticket panel by choosing a channel where users will click to open tickets, then customize the button style, message, and category while tickets will appear. After saving, Ticket Tool will automatically place your panel in the channel you selected. When members click the button, the bot creates a private ticket channel that only the member and the staff can see. Inside the ticket, you can respond, ask questions, or attach files. Staff can close tickets by clicking the close, delete, or transcript buttons at the bottom, depending on how you get or how you set it up. You can also enable transcripts so every closed ticket is saved for record keeping. Once everything is configured, Ticket Tool becomes a smooth and organized way to handle supports, reports, or inquiries in your Discord server.